Okay guys, today it's happening. The Kobe beef here in Kyoto. I didn't want to go all the way to Kobe to have it, but they say it's similar here. So tonight is the night. It's going down, guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I've waited all the trip to do this special moment, and yeah, I can't wait to get started. Here we go. First time Kobe beef. Wow. So a lot of people, they say that it melts in your mouth, and it's true. Wow, this is delicious. So I had my first experience with Kobe beef here, and it was wonderful, but not teppanyaki style as they say. I got 100 grams, small pieces, very delicious, and I need to try a bit more to compare, but so far so good, really. Okay, so I will go into the next one, try Kobe beef again, another place. Here we go. Hello, one person. Okay guys, so they were fully reserved for today, but I negotiated me to a seat tonight, and that means we are going all in on the menu. So we're having the premium, the king, she said it was the king, the Kobe beef sirloin we're having. So I'm so excited to this. Let's check it out. Okay, so I just got a brief introduction into the meat that I'm going to have, the sirloin steak, and I'm so excited. Now he's going to prepare it, just prepare the place he's going to cook it. And yeah, this place you get like special treatment just for yourself. I love this teppanyaki style where they just cook it in front of you. That's dope. He's so gentle and careful with it, treating it like it's a piece of gold. Wow. Let's do it, guys. This is ridiculous. Wow. Unbeatable beef. Man, I'm crying. Wow, guys. That was round one. Unbelievable. I still can't figure if it was a dream. Like, so mesmerizing. I don't have any more words to describe it. This was sick. Wow, can't wait for round two here, honestly. Wow. Round two incoming. Arigatou gozaimasu. Let's go. So obviously the meat itself is a whole story for itself, but added with all the wasabi and garlic, it's heaven, man, heaven. Okay, I will just introduce you to the master chef here. Tomo, arigatou gozaimasu. So that was it, guys. I'm going to check it out from here, and sadly they don't take any tips, otherwise I would have given them a lot, because this was the best food experience I've ever had. And normally I don't go to restaurants that much, but this it hits the top. Wow, love it. The service, food, everything on point. Recommend it. Arigatou gozaimasu. Domo, arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, guys, I feel like I was in a dream in there. I kind of want to go back, but yeah, that's for next time. Kobe beef, A5 Wagyu. Had to try it, and it was inevitable. And honestly, it was the best place to go to have it. The first place I went to, it wasn't really that great. They tried, but I wouldn't say they succeeded that much, because when you go for this kind of meat, you expect premium quality, and you should only get premium quality from the chefs. And this place, it was so worth it, and yeah, truly the best ending of my Kyoto trip here. So now that's marked off, and I can go back to Denmark in a week with this experience. Yeah, wow, I still feel like I need to digest like the experience, the whole experience, how great it was. Okay, see you later.